Welcome back to our channel, your new home for mastering medical class lectures. Today we continue with part 3 of our physiology lecture series, focusing on cell organelles, the tiny but powerful structures that keep our cells alive and functioning. But before we begin, subscribe so you don't miss part 4. Like this video, comment which topic you want next, and share with your colleagues. Alright, let's get started. Organelles in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasmic organelles are specialized cellular structures embedded within the cytoplasm, performing roles essential for life. 1. Endoplasmic reticulum, a network of interconnected tubules and vesicles enclosed by a lipid-protein membrane. Its inner space contains the endoplasmic matrix, and it connects the nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, or RER, has ribosomes attached, giving it a rough or granular appearance. Its primary functions include protein synthesis and the degradation of worn-out organelles. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or SER, has no ribosomes. It's also called a granular or tubular ER. Functions include lipid and steroid synthesis, cellular metabolism, and calcium storage. It also plays a crucial role in the detoxification of harmful substances. 2. Golgi apparatus, responsible for processing, packaging, labeling, and transporting proteins and lipids. Made of flattened sacs called cisternae, it has a cis face for receiving and a trans face for shipping. 3. Lysosomes, membrane-bound vesicles often called the garbage disposal system of the cell. They break down macromolecules and remove worn-out organelles and excess secretory products. They also secrete substances like perforin, granzymes, melanin, and serotonin. 4. Peroxisomes, small membrane vesicles originating from the ER, containing oxidative enzymes like catalase. Functions include fatty acid breakdown, detoxification of hydrogen peroxide, and myelin formation. 5. Centrosoma and centrioles, located near the nucleus, consisting of 2 protein-based centrioles. They are essential for chromosome movement during cell division. 6. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, with a double membrane and inner cristae. They handle ATP production, cellular respiration, and initiate apoptosis when needed. 7. Ribosomes, small non-membrane granules composed of RNA and protein, acting as protein factories. Attached ribosomes synthesize proteins for secretion, while free ribosomes make proteins for internal use. 8. Cytoskeleton, a structural network giving shape, support, and movement to the cell. Components include microtubules, intermediate filaments, and microfilaments supporting cell motility. 9. Nucleus, the largest organelle and control center containing DNA and genetic information. It consists of the nucleoplasm, chromatin, and nucleolus, surrounded by a porous nuclear membrane. It regulates cellular activities, directs RNA and protein synthesis, and controls cell division. And that wraps up part 3 on cell organelles. Let's keep learning and growing together. If this helped you, subscribe for part 4, like the video, comment your next topic, and share with your classmates.